before my 19th birthday, guys. That was in Jamaica, and I was working and everything, single, living by myself, everything. And I decided, said, yes, I'm gonna get myself a gold chain back then. And I was showing my partner with my co-worker and my supervisor at the time. Said, when I get that money and everything, I start shopping around, guys, just to get a good price. Yes. Yes, so when I bought that gold chain and everything, and I love that chain, guys. I bathe in that chain. I do everything in that chain. Sleep in it, everything said. And one day, I decided, said yes. It was my lunch break, and I decided, said yes, I'm going to go buy Woolworth at that time on King Street, downtown Jamaica, guys. Said I went into the store and grabbed some hand towels, some stuff that I needed for myself at that time back then. Said, coming out of the store now, guys, I saw this tall, brown skinned guy, and he was walking towards me. And I'm saying to myself, is this guy gonna approach me and ask me for my phone number? And yes, guys, I get the shock of my life. That guy just ripped that gold chain from my neck. So, guys, I was so shocked. I was so shocked and lost for words. And then the guy started to threaten me and say, if I ever like cry out or anything, he's gonna like try to cut me with a knife in my face, or even try to stab me and just run away with my chain. So sometimes, guys, material things, it's just material thing, but just your life is your life. And that incident really traumatized me, guys. From that time, I am not wear any gold, nothing make of gold, nothing make of gold. Said I won't like wear like silver chain, silver bracelet. Said that was so traumatized, guys. That somebody just walk up to you and just take your stuff like that. Because sometimes even before I came to Canada, I saw an incident in New Kingston. I went to New Kingston to pick up some paperwork, and I saw this young girl had a phone in her hand, a nice phone, guys, a big size phone and everything. And she was there on her phone, and someone from nowhere just run across the street and just snatch that phone from her arm, from out of her hand. So sometimes, guys, we have our things that value money. We have to be careful. You have to be careful, because even sometimes, like in the Christmas holiday time, even when you're going downtown to purchase anything, you have to hide your money into a place that if in case somebody snatch your handbag from you. Yes, guys, sometimes sometimes you would be into a bus as passenger, and you have another gold chain, and somebody like a thief standing outside and see that you have that chain across your neck, and they just rip it away from your neck. Said sometimes in life we cannot say yes, because even I heard of people when they went downtown Kingston or anywhere in Jamaica, and somebody took their jewelry from them. They try to defend themselves, and sometimes that person get hurt. So in life, material things is just material things. You will live to buy more stuff. Said I even last year when it was my birthday and stuff, and my daughter bought me this gold earring, and she gave it to me with some other stuff. And when I realized that it was gold, I turned to her and said, no, I cannot take this. You have to just take it for yourself. And my husband was saying, he said, why does not you take it, Tamara? And I said, no, I cannot wear it because of that trauma about 20 something years ago, guys, or probably 30 something years ago. Said sometimes in life you cannot retaliate because somebody come and take your stuff, because a lot of people lose their lives. Yeah, a lot of people lose their lives just because of somebody might come and snatch your phone out of your hand. You come and you get into a fight, or sometimes they use a weapon to take you out. Said in life, guys, you won't live once. You won't live once. So because of material things, you come and just take your stuff just like that. Sometimes I saw my husband said, yes, I'm gonna wear this in Jamaica, like his gold chain, his gold bracelet. I turned to him and said, be careful, because just be careful, because once from they spot you and said, yes, you're a foreigner, They want to take what is not there. He said we have to be careful in 2026 and just not because somebody come and take your stuff. Somebody might break into your home and rob you, and you realize that yes, that person is going to walk away with my appliance, with all my money. It does not hurt it, guys. Let them go, and afterwards you just call the cops, or yeah. Yes. So anyway, guys, please leave a comment on this video. This is how I am. I love to share my past with people. Yeah, man, my viewers and my subscribers. Just leave a comment on this video, and like and comment and subscribe too. So anyway, guys, just have a wonderful day. And just be yourself, guys, and love yourself. And as content creators, you have to be yourselves, and do not look any shortcut to build our YouTube channel. Just be yourself and be honest when you are telling a story. Because the minute viewers and your subscriber realize that you're lying, yes, it does not hurt it. So anyway, guys, thanks for listening. Just have a wonderful day. Bye.